We just told you Oregon smashed a single-day record for coronavirus with 375 cases. The old record was just yesterday, 281. We go back to our Lindsay Nadrich, who's digging deeper into the numbers to get a better idea of why they are going up. Lindsay.
Yeah, so the biggest thing we heard today is that OHA is actually asking people to cancel their 4th of July celebrations if you have a big barbecue or something planned. And that's because most of the new cases can be traced to social gatherings. The Oregon Health Authority says we all need to understand the threat this poses, asking everyone to limit their 4th of July celebrations.
Hold your backyard barbecue with members of your own family and have a Skype call with the rest of your family.
Oregon now has more than 9,200 cases in the state. Between June 22nd and 28th, the number of cases went up by 11% from the week before. But despite what you may have heard, OHA says the increase is not because there's now more testing. It's simply because more tests are coming back positive.
We cannot attribute this recent increase to an increase in testing. It's a real increase in cases.
As of today, 173 people are in the hospital. Since the beginning of the outbreak, more than 1,000 people have been hospitalized, while a little more than 7,000 have recovered at home. But in the last 4 weeks, the Oregon Health Authority says hospitalizations have once again started to go up. Hospitals remain well under capacity, but there's concern that could change if the surge in cases continues.
We can't get behind the 8 ball on that one. If we wait until we're at hospital capacity, a week from now when we go through another doubling time of cases, we're going to be way over hospital capacity.
It's also worth noting the age of people testing positive has changed. At the beginning, cases were more prevalent in older adults, who are more likely to end up in the hospital. Now, though, we're seeing an uptick in cases in younger people between the ages of 20 and 29 in both Oregon and Washington.
If we can't do better at this social gathering thing, that's something that we're going to see. We're going to see people being put out of work again.
All right, well, I also thought it was interesting just how long it's taking people to recover. If someone has COVID-19 and they're at home, OHA says it usually takes about 20 days to recover. For someone who has COVID-19 and is in the hospital, the average is about 25 days. Reporting live, I'm Lindsay Nadrich, KOIN 6 News.